Parents, do you have a child engaged to be married this year? Congratulations! We know you only want what's best for them. So why not give them a head start on their finances as a married couple with the Marriage and Money Planning for Forever After workshop? The behind-the-curtains look at finances, communication, and each partner's money values as a couple. Money conversations are the #1 stressor for couples throughout their relationship. Don't leave it to them to figure it out on their own. Help them start out right. Empower them with tools they need as they step into the world of joint finances. Money conversations can be difficult. That's why we only include professionals who are licensed, credentialed, and experienced in their fields. Straight talk from people who know, without the investment or insurance sales pitch. Just think, if you could go back and do it all over, would you spend 1% of the wedding cost to have better financial conversations and decisions? The answer is clear. Marriage and Money Planning for Forever After workshop. One partnership, one plan.